Today, because the weather's getting cold, we're gonna move our project into, this is our home barn, our home garage. We're going to attempt to use the reclaimed wood that we took off the interior of the barn. We're gonna try to use that tongue and groove wood and make it into tabletops. And then we're gonna use some of the other lumber reclaimed from the barn to make the pedestals or the base or the legs of those tables. We're just getting started. I'm not a carpenter. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I watched a couple videos on it. They make it all look pretty easy. I don't know if I have the right tools. We're just gonna take a whack at it. We have to figure out the dimensions of it. Then we have to figure out if I can connect these planks in a way, but I still want to try to retain the natural look of this old wood. So that's where we're at today. So we've got a few pieces set out here. This is what 5 boards look like. And I just don't know. Maybe we need to get a chair there. I don't know. I think we might need to go 6.
Yeah, it is looking like really narrow.
I mean, if you
with just the 5, which is what we have.
if you have a plate sitting here and chairs, I think we're gonna be knocking these.
It is very narrow.
So
Yeah,
I
let's
think,
try to add one more.
so. All right, so that's what it looks like.
I think it looks amazing, and that's just weathered wood. So the bottom, the 2x4s happen to be a little bit different coloring, which offsets the top. So we'll see. I don't know if we have all of our 2x4s that are that weathered, but that I think looks really good. Got a few tweaks yet.